We have tools, talent, and techniques to get you more prominent in your market. Operation Market Domination. OMG National is proud to sponsor and partner with the American Towman Spirit Ride. Our tow marketing division is pleased to be providing media strategy and logistics support. Call, click omgtowmarketing.com.
American Towman TV.
Welcome to Tow Industry Week. I'm Emily Oz. Here's another edition of the Manufacturer's Spotlight from the show floor of the Baltimore Convention Center. Let's get an update from Dynamic Towing Equipment and Manufacturing, straight from the show floor of the American Towman Exposition. Ross Aaron talks about the new Python wheel lift, which is a light-duty lift with 84 inches of reach.
This is the Python unit from Dynamic. This has got all the new upgrades that people wanted. So the boom is now mounted more towards the cab for better weight transfer. We also have a single deck cylinder to lift the truck up and down on the boom. So it's a lot faster than our other units. It incorporates a new negative tilt that we came up with last year. So you have a positive negative tilt. And also the body design's a little bit more sleek. So it's more visibility out the back windows and you have more deck space for your equipment. But it still has all the original features of a normal Dynamic. So you still get your Dynamic but with the new modern twist. Our specialty units we call like the Radius, the Fusion, so we're switching up the name for this one, calling it the Python. We're just trying to find a catchy name, you know. A lot of our units are numbers, so we're trying to switch it up.
The Python has a 5,000-pound capacity, and the biggest change on this model is the weight transfer.
The biggest one is the weight transfer difference. Now the boom is mounted closer to the cab, so that takes less weight off the rear axle, so you can lift more weight.
Thank you, Ross. And stay tuned to American Towman TV as we'll head back to the show floor in Baltimore to feature the rest of the manufacturers on display at the world's biggest tow show.